Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today was Tuesday, June 11th, 2019. It was my second day in the pro account. By the way, the agreement, this is a 6-page agreement that you sign off on. And I don't want to show the details of it, but it's the pro account agreement, and it's a little less in detail than the funded account agreement, but it definitely goes over a lot of the details. There's an FAQ, well, I shouldn't say it goes over all the details. That is everything that's in the details. The FAQ is actually it's a 3-page document that goes over basically what you can and can't do. The synopsis of it is that you're not allowed to, if you do break a rule, you're going back to step 2 instead of if you go to funded and break a rule, you're going to step 1. Now the goal of the pro account is to build it to $5,000 and then turn that to your premier funded account, and then from there be able to, in my case, what I'm planning on doing is withdrawing some money and using the additional money, or the remainder of that money, to trade off of. Now, how long it takes me to get up to 5,000, I have no idea. I hope that I can do it through the summer, the rest of June, July, and August. If I can catch a couple 50-tick moves, or at least a 1.5p move along the way as I continue to move forward without losing too much on the other side on my losing days, then I should be able to net out somewhere between 500 to 600 a week. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's kind of the goal, to be able to net somewhere in that area. So 50 to 60 ticks a week if I'm trading all 5 trading days or 4 trading days, depending upon how. Now, I do know in July I'm going to take at least 2 weeks off. That's historically what I do. I'll continue to do that as well. Today I made a little bit of money and I had 2 trades on. I had to take my wife for a doctor's appointment this morning, and it was an inside trading day. As I look over the day, there really wasn't any huge opportunity to go long or short, although both my trades were on the short side, trading in what is my sweet spot between pivot point and S1. So I looked to get involved in it. I was able to pick one up at, I think I was short it from 57 today. 53.57, and I took it down. It actually ran a 1.5p move down towards the 25 line, I think, during the trade. Made a low at that point. I think the low was around 53.20, somewhere in that area. Maybe it's a little bit lower. I think 53.15 ended up being the low while I was trading, and then it turned out to be later in the session it went to 52.95, or a little bit lower than that, I think. But when I was trading during that session, I was able, my first trade, I had lost 13 ticks, and my second trade went to a 1p target, and then did not officially go to a 2p target, went to a 1.5, and then on its return back, I came out and it was worth, anyway, so I netted out 5 ticks overall on 2 trades today. Didn't see anything particularly that I really liked. Outside of that, now there was a nice trade later in the session at between 1 to 130 that was worth 1.5p move. So if you did play what I call the close 30 strategy, it was a nice little trade to take on. I think the high water mark was around 53.60 at the time, which was well below the 64.65 area that I had marked on my charts, and it went right into like a little band between 55 to 65, went into a little band right there, and the sell signal coming through would have been about, it was at 103 at 53.47 and running down. Today that would have been worth 43 ticks, so that would have been exiting around 50 through, is that 43 from 47 be 3, so around 53.03, I guess that would be the, is that correct? Anyway, so you can do your own math. 43 ticks, I'm thinking 53.47 minus 43 is 4, so that'd be 53.04, right? So I think that's right. So anyway, somewhere in that area, is worth a 1.5p move, and that's what that particular trading strategy is designed for, to grab 1.5p. So today that was worth 43 ticks, and entry point was roughly off the 1, 2, 3 to get in around 53.47. Look at your charts and you'll see that little downward thrust in the last 30 minutes between 1 to 130. Overall, I'm up. I'm up after 2 trading days. Not significantly up, but I'm up, and I will continue to build. At least this is my goal, to continue to build the account, taking quality trades and moving forward. And you know, I know I'm going to have my individuals that dislike me and have to thumb down everything, and then use their fake accounts to thumb down even more. And I guess it comes with the territory right now. But my course still goes for $57. You can get it off my website at 123daytrade.com. I'm still working behind the scenes to add all the content behind it. I'm up to March 24th, 23rd or 24th, putting back the content in. I was with Vimeo at one time. They decided, anyway, so long story short, I'm moving all my content over to YouTube as a private video, and then you'll be able to watch that content. So until I get it all up there, yes, it's still going to be, and it takes some time. And you can tell I'm not doing it right now. I turned off my computers right now. I got my big computer, my gaming computer on, but I've turned off my other computers. Anyway. I've uploaded as much as I want to upload today, and I'll continue to upload the content. The good news is that until it's all up there, hey, it's not $197 for my course. It's only 57 bucks. So I'll link up the blog post up here for you, so you can take a look. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. This is Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here today. And for my haters, go ahead. You know what to do. Bye for now.